United, there is no foul play committed. It would be played in the right spirit, and that is what these handshakes embody. It's a so the ball has been passed to the most experienced of the Madhesh United player, number 10, Ardema, is going to start proceedings with the serve. Sends down a flat one, which has been well received. Polina sets it.
Out there by Kathmandu Spikers, well dug over there. And the outside striker comes in.
Here comes the serve. Well received this time around. Once again, Polina sets it. And Apina thinks she's killed it.
Well, a good comeback over here by the Kathmandu Spikers.
Service error. So the point has been given to Madhesh United. And now tries to...
They won't be complaining at all. Good service, but now the outside ball being set this time by Madhesh United. But the ball dribbling.
And just...
Austin Wessels way to Kathmandu.
But here's Apina with the serve. And the receive is false. That serve would make her feel better. Well received by Romy. Sends down a spin serve, which has been scooped from very low. This one hit the net, but Yamuna was up to it. Now set up. And Kirsten.
Not a problem because the fresh star rally has now started, but this time an unsuccessful.
Now with the serve, Yamuna once again receives it well, but sent back. Oh, Niruta Thakuna. She's in some form today. What did she have?
Not a problem because the fresh star rally has now started.
Sends down a spin serve, which has been scooped from very low. This one hit the net, but Yamuna was up to it. Now set up. And Kirsten. This time around, Yamuna receives it. And it's been killed. Well done from the left side corner. Kamalapun, the most experienced amongst the Nepalese player in the Kathmandu Spikers team with that serve. She gets the chance to set it. Farusha, who kills it.
We witness and enjoy over here completely.
Oh, what a dive there from Kamalapun. What a dig.
By the outside hitter, we'll have to see how Madhesh United responds. The spike attempted very well, blocked and defended over there by Kathmandu Spikers. Their middle block. United.
Niruta Thakuna sends down a spin serve. Oh, a little bit of miscoordination there, but in the end, they get the...
Kathmandu Spikers defense and middle block is coming to the outside hitter. This time smacks it out for the Kathmandu.
Yamuna, what a dig! Kamalapun sends it across the net. Ardema sets it up and it has been killed. Aarti Subedi. Kamalapun sends it across the net. Ardema sets it up and it has been killed. Aarti Subedi. With a bump. Kamalapun sets it up and killed once again. Spikers getting into the groove, but they still managed to scoop it up, and Romy Winstra kills it. United still momentum.
Madhesh United 2-point lead at a crucial point when the match is all set to finish.
Sends down a float serve. That is what she attempted. Unfortunately, it became too flat.
Madhesh United 2-point lead at a crucial point when the match is all set to finish.
Dig out, set up by Ardema, tipped over by the captain. Winstra with the serve this time around. Captain fails to kill it. Oh,
they've made sure that they make the comeback. And now scores tied. Their outside hitter drives it, and happy days. Happy days over there for Kathmandu.
Usha Bhandari. Niruta Thakuna well blocked. Once again, Niruta Thakuna split.
See, rally starts being passed by the outside hitter, and with that, the final point being driven out to Kathmandu Spikers, 25-24. Beauty.
राम्रो सर्भिस पनि यमुना रोसाइली फर्स्ट रिसिभले कितिन मरिसाको लागि स्पिन पोलिनाले क्विक स्पाइक कम्प्लिट हुन पाएन फेरि पनि बेनिस्ट्रा र किसिन ब्लकमा यतिखेर कञ्चनाको उपस्थिति फ्रन्ट कोर्ट
सर्भिसमा पिन र यहाँ सेटअप स्पाइक सँगै
लुक ब्याक सेटअप रहेको थियो तर अपिना अझै पनि रह्यो हो उनको देब्रे हाते प्रहार जसको अफिसियलसँग कुरा गर्ने मौका पाएको थिए अफलाइनमा गर्न सक्छौं यो उनको क्षमता हो गर्दै उनी Venestra ब्याककोर्टमा तीन अहिले र हेर्न सक्छौँ यो पनि ल्याप्सेस डिफेन्स मधेस युनाइटेडको लागि एक्जिक्युट गर्ने एउटा अवसर रहेको थियो जुन निरुता सरप्राइज देखेकी छिन् पनि कञ्चना काठमाडौँको लागि अङ्क
अग्रता बनाउँदैसँगै फेरि हामी देख्न सक्छौँ नीति शाहलाई स्क्रिनमा मधेस युनाइटेडको आज मोटिभेटेड देखिएका छौँ हामीले र पहिलो सेट गर्दै विजय यात्रा सुरुवात गरिसकेको छ त्यो विजय यात्रा कायम रहन्छ रहँदैन त्यो भने आजको खेलले नै देखाउनेछ
मनिषालाई पास गर्न सकिनन् उषा ब्याककोर्टबाट निकै कडा प्रहार यो
क्विक स्पाइक मनिषाको तर
Venestra
जितेको थियो खेलमा पुनरागमन गर्नको लागि पनि मुख्य प्रशिक्षण सम्हालिरहेका छन्
फर्स्ट एडिसन रोमी Venestra सर्भिसमा उषा टाइप त गरेको पोलिना उषा धेरै बेर हेरेकी छिन् एयरमा बल तर विसल छ र काठमाडौँ स्पाइकर्सले अङ्क प्राप्त गरिरहेको छ अझै पनि मधेसको विरुद्धमा निरुता ठकुन आएकी छिन् तर
खेलाडीहरू नेदरल्यान्ड्सबाट आएका हुन् एक अङ्कको अग्रतामा छ र यो उनको
फेरि पनि आउने छिन्
काठमाडौँ स्पाइकर्स कञ्चनाको स्पाइक सहजै उठाए मधेसका खेलाडीहरूले
र एभरेस्ट वुमेन्स भलिबल लिगले अझ यो कुरालाई यो अवसर जुराइदिएको छ Venestra छिन् जहाँ त्यति फाइदा लिन सकिने लो हाइटको बललाई आउने छिन् कञ्चना वेसल्स फेरि पनि Venestra भन्दा अगाडि नै पोलिना द सेट
कञ्चनाको स्पाइक ब्लक लागेको थियो
कञ्चना क्रस गर्ने ड्युटी रहेको छ काठमाडौँ स्पाइकर्स यहाँ मधेसले पोलिना कञ्चनाको लागि रहेको छ टिपिङ गर्ने उनको प्यास कोपिला Venestra अझै बालेको छिन् Venestraलाई नै पहिलो ब्लक अपिल फेरि पनि उनको लेफ्ट ह्यान्ड एङ्गल डबल अटेम्पमा पनि सक्सेसफुल
त्यो एकरूपता देखाउँदैछ यो खेलमा पछि पर्दा पनि नआत्तिकन खेलिरहेको छ र यहीँ भने
केही छ भने त्यो हो ब्लकिङ अझै पनि सुध्रेको छैन एकदमै कमजोर ब्लकिङ बसन्ती साउथबाट फेरि पनि मार्कीले पठाएकी छिन् अपोनेन्ट कोर्टमा आउने छिन् यस पटक पिन्यारो वाउ यसको निमित्त बसन्तीको अर्को सर्भिस रहेको छ पोलिना ट्रिकी मुभ उनको काम लागेन त्यही
सबैभन्दा प्रतिस्पर्धात्मक खेल भन्न सक्छौँ हामी यो खेललाई
सर्भिस बसन्तीबाट कञ्चना पोलिना उषा भण्डारीको प्रहार
रिमा कुँवर दुई खेलाडी मैदान प्रवेश गरेका छन् काठमाडौँ स्पाइकर्सका लागि तर
रिमा क्यारी गरिन् उनले एकदमै राम्रो काम आरतीको सट रहेको छ यो अझै पनि सर्भाइभ गरेको छ काठमाडौँले चान्स बल हुन सक्छ टिप डाउन अझै पनि यमुनाको रेस्क्यु निकै नै उत्कृष्ट र्याली
has been for Madhesh United so far. They won't be complaining at all. Good service, but
And just as we were
Kirsten Wessels, she already giving the second sign that okay.
but Heza Pina with the serve and the receive is false. That serve would make her feel better. Well received by Romy Venestra. Once again, captain receiving it well. Romy Venestra hits the net.
Oh my God, the kind.
Spike and now Venestra, clever, just tipped it over the net, but it has been scooped up. Kirsten Wessel setting it up once again for Venestra. Once again
Comes into play. Madhesh United starting this up, but this time Kathmandu Spikers striking back. Opinion.
And if I might use that word, service error. Almost
For Kathmandu Spikers. Well set up by Madhesh United, but this one. Look at the way the ball has been reverted. Paulina also setting it up. Good dig over there. Very, very good dig. That came from Romy Venestra. And a good spike. Back in the action with Basanti starting the serve this time once again. Kathmandu Spikers has some catching up to do in terms of points. And Usha Bhandari trying to rally.
Adima sets it up. Niruta. Her spike was blocked. Once again, Adima sets it up for Niruta. Once again, it has been blocked.
Kathmandu Spikers defense and middle block is coming to the offside hitter. This time smacks it. With this time Madhesh United played it back at them. Their middle block and
So one which dips into the opposition scope. Good receive there from Yamuna. Usha Bhandari! Bhandari with the serve now. Nirita Taguna sets it up. Romy Vinstra tries to be clever, but Spikers have an answer now. Usha Bhandari trying the same thing. Rally still goes on. Romy Vinstra with the hammer. Still in play. Adima. Oh, what a save! What a save! Kirsten Vessels. Adima. And eventually Romy. And now a hammer. Kirsten Vessels sends it across. Oh, and what a block! This time around, she's able to evade the block. Romy Vinstra, not quite able to do so. Oh, just a dink! And now a hammer!